In this video, let's see how to remove duplicates in Google Sheets. First, select all the data in your sheet. You can see that there are duplicate rows here. For example, I have 2 entries of Jimmy and Geeta. To remove duplicates, click on Data in the menu bar, then select Data Cleanup and then Remove Duplicates. Here, you'll notice an option that says Data has header row. If your data includes a header row, you can check this box. In this case, I'm leaving it unchecked. Next, you can choose to remove duplicates from all columns or specific ones, depending on your needs. Once you've made your selection, click on Remove Duplicates. As you can see, 2 duplicate rows were found and deleted. And that's it. Removing duplicates in Google Sheets is that simple. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment saying, "I subscribed," so I can personally thank you in the comments. Thanks for watching and take care.